Whirlwind Live Productions and Jambiz International present Patrick Brown's hilarious comedy, Lockdown.
No, me, I do this to spite. I'm not trying to get rid of you. That dead you left me.
Oh, so you want to left you?
Do more than me, I beg you. Left me more than you!
You want it no cleaner than that?
This Mother's Day weekend, Saturday, May 11, Everglades High School, 8 p.m. And on Mother's Day, Sunday, May 12, Coral Springs Center for the Arts, 5 p.m. Tickets are going fast. Purchase yours today or call the Lockdown Hotline, 954-534-4852. That's 954-534-4852. Lockdown, a real laugh riot.